Okay, you are welcome to this video on guidance on how to download and register on PX network. This is a new project which is in demand of 80 million coins, and currently because it is very new, the mining rate is very high. So download the PX network app, which is currently available for Android devices. You can download it from Google Play Store using the following link. The link is here. This link I will post it on the description so that when you click, it will just take you there right away. And my phone display is on this side. Did I just close it? So I will be illustrating on how to do each and every step until you start mining. So you register an account after installing the app. Register using your Google account. During the registration process, immediately after you put your email, it will redirect you to a place where you will paste the code. I ask if you can copy the link, the code before you start the process. So you copy this link code, then you put on invitation code form where you will be asked to paste it. When you paste, it will redirect you to start mining, and you will see a prompt just down top left side of the phone. You will be asked to start mining. So I'll take you through the steps necessary to start mining right away. So let me go to my phone. You can see my phone here. This is PX network at the corner. So I assume now you click this link and you've downloaded the app. So you have the app in your phone. So you just go to this app here. This is PX network. You wait until it opens. When it opens, you are asked to get started. I click here, get started here. You can read it. The future of digital currency and decentralized coin designed for seamless mining, fast transaction and real world use. Then next, we are excited to announce our next big milestone, release of 80 million coins. This milestone represents not only a significant increase in our total supply, but also a commitment to continually innovate and provide more value to our community. Next, I'm supposed to get started. Join the Pyramid Network and mine the future. Be part of global mining revolution with 80 million coins in circulation. Verify and boost your mining speed. The future of digital currency starts here. So when you click get started, it will take you to your email accounts you have in this phone, and first you'll be supposed to click one of the emails. So from this page, let me hide and come back right now. So I have I have just put my email address. So right here I'm prompted to put the referral code. So if I had copied it, this is for illustration purposes, so I don't need to put it, because at the end of the video I will delete this account. I have my mining app, and I'll show you after everything. It is just a fresh, I started yesterday. So because I could not show you using my account because it is already registered, I show you here I will not put the code. Then when you submit, it will take you to the other page for mining. So it will just tell you to start mining, and you will click this button here, right here. When you click this like this, it will start mining. But you cannot start mining right now because I did not put the, or it has started mining. It is counting. But you have no security cycle, and at the end you might have very difficulties in claiming some rewards and bonuses. So make sure you use the code at this step. So let me delete this account. Let me delete this account and show you my real account. And we go delete. That account cannot do anything. If you enter without referral code, you are messed. So let me log in my account and come back and show you the steps and some information ahead. So I'm just back. This is my account, and we can go through some of the information here. There is a base mining rate, rewards, mining process, just very fresh mining. Welcome to Pyramid X, the future of digital currency. You can read here for some information. At Pyramid X, we believe in breaking barriers and creating a truly decentralized financial ecosystem where everyone can participate, mine, and transact seamlessly. Our vision is to empower people worldwide by providing a fast, secure, reliable cryptocurrency that is easy to use in everyday life. A coin designed for real-world use. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that are often limited to exchanges, Pyramid X is built for real-world transaction, whether you are buying goods, sending money, or investing. Our coin is designed to integrate seamlessly into digital payments. As simple as scanning a QR code can show more. So there is a lot of information here, but when you register, you can go through it and be very much informed about uh, the PX network. Because it is very new, we shall be updating you through this channel. Make sure you subscribe, you hit bell button, and you like the video. The moment I release a new video, you will get the updates. So far, so good. It is very fresh. We have not much information about it, but we shall be following each and every announcement and make sure the community is informed. So follow the steps and make sure you start mining right today, because the mining rate is very high and you will not be able to mine with such rates in future. So the early birds here catches the high mining rate. Subscribe and let's meet on the next video. Thank you.